Alright, this is a demonstration of view formatting tool, an add-in for SolidWorks. To use this tool, you'll need to define a few properties in your drawing. Drawing xmin, ymin, xmax, ymax. These lengths are all in meters, and they define the boundary, the usable boundary in your drawing. So from this corner to this corner. The tool offers a few functions. First one I'll show is the centering function, which centers a position unlocked view on the page. So just right-click your centered view, or the view that you would like to center. Click center. It will center it between those boundaries that you've defined in your drawing properties. Next, we can try centering, or distributing rather, these two views across the page so that the gaps between the boundaries and the views are all the same. So I'll select both views and then distribute horizontally. You can see now this gap, and this gap are all equivalent. We can also distribute vertically. So right click, and that will result in this gap here and this gap here being the same. Next, I'll show the line with front view. This will take a view that you select, and if there is a front view on the page, which there is right here, it will place it at a 45-degree angle, and the upper line of the bounding box will be adjacent to the drawing Y max property that you've defined in your drawing properties. So we'll do a line with front. You can see that it's been placed towards the top. We can also lock the view position and then do distribute horizontally. And what this will do is it will take any views on either side of the locked view and distribute them so that the gaps are equivalent. So you can see that this gap here and this gap here are now the same. All right, I think that concludes the demo, the functionality of view formatting tool. Thanks for watching.